Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for being here again. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. So I have been loving those Dutch blooms. Maybe you guys are already sick of it, but not this girl. So of course, what is a beautiful color combination? And that are monochrome colors. But I'm gonna do a little bit of pearl violet in it to create more interest and a little hue of surprise, or at least that's the idea. So let's get started here. Okay, today I'm gonna work on a monochrome painting, and I have here a black mixed with Paynes Grey, white, and I'm gonna pour white around the puddle, metallics like a gold and a silver, and I have pearl violet because I think that can create a beautiful shade in this. So let's create the base here and get started. Okay, so I poured like a lot of base color on here and it's only mixed with water. Normally I do not use such a thick layer of paint on the base, but it's on here now, so I'm gonna work with it and maybe it works even better because I plan to spin this out. I do see a couple of lumps in it, so I'm just moving over all the paint so I can get them out. Paynes Grey looks gorgeous, so I'm just torching out all the air bubbles and then I'm gonna get started with the puddle. So the idea here is to create a sort of chic look to it, so definitely hope that works out. Okay, I will be starting with the pearl violet just in the middle here, and on top of that I will pour again the Paynes Grey. Then let's go with gold, Paynes Grey again, silver, Paynes Grey again, and I'm gonna end with gold here. So, and around this I will pour my white. Okay, you see this base is super thick and it's already touching here the pearl violet. And you see here that the pearl violet is creating purple. Okay, well this is okay, it's okay. So I'm gonna blow this out. Okay, so this is quite a weird blowout, isn't it? I do wonder how this will look when I spin it out. It's so different. Crazy blow. Alright, let's just spin this slowly. Okay, so this part is amazing. This is beautiful, it had such a beautiful flow to it. But then here, I feel like there's too much white. And here as well, the patch of white is not something I like there. How can I fix this? Does it need fixing? That's also a question, isn't it? You know what, I will torch just a little bit here, so maybe the Paynes Grey will pop up a bit more. There it does. Okay. Oh, this is super hard. But I definitely want to break up here the white and remove here some of the white. Let's go here first. Okay, it's fixed there. That's great. Now I do want to break it up here. Like just a little. Alright, maybe just a little bit more. I'm just pushing it up and then pulling it down again. Pushing this up and then putting that down. Yeah, liking that better. It's beautiful that we have just a little bit of the violet hue in it. I'm tempted to spin this just a little bit more. I won't be spinning this again because then I'm gonna mess this part up, I guess. And I really like that. Okay, I think this is it. I'm gonna let this be and let this dry and see how I like the composition. I think like this. But I don't know. There's a nice flow to it. So let me just touch up the sides. And I'm gonna bring you up for a close-up.